My video guide is about getting rid of the special extension for the Google Chrome browser, which is called Peek Dark. Peek Dark is a special extension designed specifically for the Google Chrome browser. The developers of this extension indicate that by installing it, you will be able to enable the dark theme for the pages that you visit through the Google Chrome browser. However, at first glance, it might look as if this feature is handy for some people, but the point is that Peek Dark extension functions as a typical browser hijacker. It will change a lot of crucial browser settings in case it gets installed. It will change the default search engine settings primarily. So, because of that, when you start submitting some particular search queries, you may soon realize that the results would be delivered by some other unwanted search engines. These alterations may take place if certain conditions are met. For instance, if your geographical location is matching some requirements. In some cases, there may be no redirections, but in some other cases, there may be such unwanted browser directions and alterations. So, if you have noticed that this Peek Dark extension controls your browser settings, you should immediately undertake the measures to remove such extensions. Access the menu, click on More Tools, then choose Extensions. So, if you find any third-party extensions here on the list, disable and remove the extension completely. This should be sufficient enough to fix your browser, but I would also recommend you to additionally research your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on the official page combocleaner.com. Download Combo Cleaner. Using this green button, install the software and start researching your device with its help to detect and delete other threats from your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.